Hello, and thank you so much for joining me here. So today I am repurposing a thrift store find, and I'm turning it into a most beautiful and elegant candle holder. And thought I'd show you how I clean silver. It's pretty inexpensive. It's aluminum foil, hot water, a little bit of baking soda, and a bit of salt. My largest bowl is too small, so I'll have to move this to the kitchen sink instead. This silver water jug was $2 at the thrift store, and I just knew I could find a way to use it that would be absolutely elegant. And here we go.
Christmas time is the loveliest time, it's the loveliest time of the year. Carolers' bells will soon begin to chime, and we'll gather with joy and good cheer. We can hardly wait till it's time, for Christmas time is the loveliest time of the year. Time for children, time for their toys with their planes and their train sets abuzz. Time for parents to deal with the
And a $2 candle.
They can hardly wait till it's time, for Christmas time is the loveliest time of the year. Peggy wants a puppy doll, one that barks when you give it a push on its snout. But what's that loud box in the hall? When she opens it up, a real puppy jumps out. Christmas time is the merriest time, it's the veriest, merriest time of the year. My stocking's hung on the mantle with twine, hoping that old Saint Nick will appear. I can hardly wait till it's time, for Christmas time is the loveliest time of the year. Timmy wants a tiny car, one that rides on its own when you wind it.
And that's it. In 4 minutes, we created something so lovely.
Christmas time is the loveliest time, it's the bubbliest, loveliest time of the year. Carolers' bells will soon begin to chime, and we'll gather with joy and good cheer.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, evening, and I'll see you soon.